Welcome to INSEA, self-learning business analytics platform built for enterprises to provide simple and intuitive access to intelligent insights. In this demo, we are a retailer brand such as Tesco, Walmart, and we want to understand how our sales is performing. Upon logging in, we get to see a list of actionable insights proactively and automatically sent to us. All these insights are personalized to a specific business user through feedback loop and role-based access control. Here we are seeing that necklace and pendant sales has been trending down for last 4 months. Let's see why. So we do sales by month in necklace and pendant, and we do see that the sales has been dropping down. Let us see which stores, cities are causing this. Now this is not giving us a very clear picture of how the things are happening. So we might want to check which customer segment is doing this. So when we do a customer type, we see that most of the sales has always been coming from loyal customer base, and that has been on decline. So we might want to check within the loyal brand, what are the different SKU brands that are causing this. So once we do that, we figure it out that again, most of the sales has been coming from fine jewelry, and that has gone down. So while INSEA gives you the best fit visualization of the data point that you are looking for, but you are not limited with that, and you can always go and change the chart and see the way you would want to see the data. You can revert back to this. Now, as you can see, the INSEA platform automatically recommends you the next best cut, that what all things that you can do, how exactly you can dig deeper. So if you want to figure it out, that what are the different customer ethnicities that are causing it, further analyzing this data point, you can do that also. And as we can see that for fine jewelry, even for the Asian, the sales has been on a decline. Now, all these insights that you are creating, you can add to any data story, or in general language what we call dashboard. So you can create your own dashboard, or you can add it to any of the current dashboards. Creating any dashboard is very easy with INSEA. As you can see, like here you have the capability to drag, drop, resize, rearrange, design the entire dashboard the way you would want. You can download it as a PDF, or you can share it with anyone on a click of a button. But most of the platforms, business intelligence platforms, talks about the what part. Not many talks about the why part. Let's say we would want to know that how the sales by different SKU categories are performing. And now here we see that the sales in home decor is very low. So we want to know why it is so. So we can go and do a drill down, and that is where you can drill to any of the other categorical variables, whatever is available in the entire data set. So you're not restricted with any particular drill down path. So you can go directly drill to customer age, ethnicity, and keep drilling it to the lowest grade. But even that takes a lot of time. What if the platform automatically generates a report and gives you a view that why the sales in home decor is the way it is? That is where you use the AI platform of INSEA called i360. And once you click on that feature, the platform automatically generates a report and gives you a detailed view of why the sales in home decor is the way it is. And that is where an ad hoc report with an outlier analysis, time series analysis, geographical analysis is done. And all this analysis and insights are given to you not only in the form of charts, but also in the form of natural language, directly provisioned to you at that moment. So all this thing gets built and directly sent to you in natural language also to you. So in just like that, INSEA creates these kind of detailed report. Moreover, you can further personalize it by providing it feedback that whether you like this insight or not, and the platform will learn and keep improving to give better and better insights with time. So using the power of AI and search, you can directly ask questions and do your own analysis without requiring any technical know-how. Moreover, you can get all the intelligent insights on your mobile phone, as and you can always be on top of your business anywhere all the time. That's the power of INSEA, Insights for All.